See, now I want to assign for index 0 I want to give, in place of C I want to update with B, but it is not taking because strings are immutable. Immutable means what? Immutable. Strings are immutable. Immutable is nothing but we cannot change the value. That is called immutable. So for example, when we assign a string variable like something A, B, C, once this string is got assigned, we cannot remove each character from this string. So that is called immutable. So that's why it is showing error. See, now what is the error it is showing? Object does not support item assignment. So once a string is assigned, then we cannot change the characters of a string. That is called immutability. So for example, if you want to update a string, you can do one thing by assigning that variable to another string variable. For example, see, I am creating a new variable that is called string1. Here now I am giving previous string variable name and assigning other thing, that is new tech guru. Now if I want to print, see, now it is showing creative tech guru, then new tech guru. Like this you can update, but you cannot do reassignment to the same string variable. It will show error. So if you want to remove a character from a string, you cannot remove because strings are immutable. Reassignment also is not there, and we cannot remove a particular character from a string. But if you want to delete a string, you can delete a string, means completely you can delete. For example, using delete keyword we can delete a string. It will delete whole string. So now if I want to print str, it will show error because I already deleted that string. See, now actually it is a keyword, so that's why it is showing it is class type is string. See, if I want to delete string 1, now string 1 is deleted. If I want to print string 1, it will show you the error. See, now it is showing error because str is also a keyword in Python. That's why in when we give print str, it is showing class string, that is str. So like the way we can delete the strings. For example, like, for like I am assigning you how something. So now I am checking, it will show you the string value. Now if I want to delete, using delete keyword I am deleting that string. If I want to check the output, see, it will show the error. So using delete keyword you can delete the string, but you cannot remove a character from a string, and you cannot reassign a value to particular characters in a string because string is immutable. So in strings we have some built-in string methods. Using that methods we can perform different operations. For example, see, here we have a string method that is called capitalize. So here see, now I assigned a variable, string variable, that is creative tech guru. All are lowercase letters to a string variable. I named it as mobin, M-O-B-I-N. So now I can capitalize the starting letter using capitalize method. For example, see, now I am capitalizing that using capitalize method. See, now it is showing output as Creative Tech Guru, but the first letter of that string made capitalized. So the same way here one more method is there, that is digit, means it will check if a string consists digits, means only digits. If it is consists only digits, it will show you true value, otherwise it will show false value. See, now it is showing false value. For example, I am creating a new string with only numbers and I want to use the same isDigit method to find out whether it is having only digits. See, now it is showing true, means it is having only digits, that's why it is giving true value. If there is a strings and digits also, it will show you the false value. So the way like that we can use isDigit method. And we have one more method, it is called isLower method. Using that method we can convert the whichever in uppercase letters, it will be converted into lowercase. For example, C. See, now by using lower method I can convert this whole string to lowercase. See, now I have assigned Raju Creative Tech Guru to smart string variable. Now using lower method, it is showing all lowercase letters of that string. So like using isLower method, we can convert all uppercase letters into lowercase letters. And we have length keyword, that is using length we can find out the length. So now I am assigning a variable Python to str1. So now if I want to find out the length of str1, using length keyword I can find out the length of that variable. So see, now it is showing 6. We can count also, Python, total 6 letters are there, so it is showing the length of the string is 6. So using join keyword, you can join two elements like a separator between that string. Means in a string you can add this whichever we give. For example, see, now here I am assigning a star to S and I want to join between each character of a string. For example, in string 1. So now if I will use join method, I can join this using, means in that characters the star will go between each letters. So for example, I am using join keyword, S means str s dot I want to join in between the str string. So now I have given that. See, now you check, sorry I didn't use join keyword. So now I am joining it. Now you will get proper output. Sorry, oh sorry, I actually have to give str1, but I have given str, so it is not taking. See, now it is given proper output, means